You might think your bones are hard, lifeless structures, but inside them is one of the most active systems in your entire body. Your skeleton is constantly rebuilding itself, repairing tiny cracks, storing minerals, and producing the very blood cells that keep you alive. Even when you're still, your bones are hard at work. Each bone is made of a tough outer layer and a lighter, spongy interior filled with marrow. This marrow is where your body creates red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets, essential for oxygen transport, immunity, and clotting. Most people don't realize that bones are living tissue, filled with nerves and blood vessels. They grow, adapt, and change throughout your life depending on your diet, movement, and lifestyle. From childhood to adulthood, your bones gain strength, and even in later years they continue remodeling themselves. Your bones communicate with your body more than you think. When they're stressed from lack of nutrients or low physical activity, you might notice signs like joint discomfort, reduced strength, brittle nails, muscle cramps, or slower healing. These signals often relate to low calcium intake, vitamin D deficiency, dehydration, or long periods of inactivity, not always serious disease. Even poor posture can place unnecessary pressure on certain bones and joints. Keeping your bones strong doesn't require anything extreme. Simple, consistent habits have the biggest impact. Foods rich in calcium, such as dairy, leafy greens, nuts, and fortified products, support bone structure. Vitamin D, gained through moderate sunlight or certain foods, helps your body absorb that calcium effectively. Water keeps your joints lubricated, and regular movement encourages your bones to stay dense and durable. Weight-bearing activities like walking, climbing stairs, or light resistance exercises signal your bones to reinforce themselves. Daily bone care is straightforward. Stand and walk more often, maintain good posture, drink water regularly, and include foods that nourish your skeleton. Sleep also plays a role. Your body uses nighttime hours to rebuild and repair bone tissue. These small habits, done consistently, keep your bones strong and support your entire body's stability. If this helped you understand your skeleton better, tap like, leave a comment, share the video, and follow Health Based Planet for more real, science-based health education.